once again, Taco Bell has brought back their nacho fries, but this time they've added buffalo chicken to it, and once again they've put it in a burrito. This time I've got both the buffalo chicken nacho fries and the buffalo chicken fries burrito. Let's do the fries first. Here's what they look like. Doesn't look too appealing, but hold the camera. Gotta open it. I should have opened it before I filmed it. Started filming. Suffering I do for videos. Okay, give me the fork. Smells nice. Now let's try and get a bite with everything. Ow! It's kind of hot. Wow. The flavors really collide. Got that buffalo chicken flavor, but these just taste like normal fries now. You miss out on it being a nacho fry. You know what? Let's try and get a piece of the chicken by itself, because I've never had Taco Bell's shredded chicken. That's pretty nice. Nice and seasoned well. Okay, I'm gonna try and polish this off with the fork right now. So, hang on. Well, that was a disaster trying to eat that. Anyways, this last bite is dedicated to, this last bite is dedicated to the Kansas City Chiefs who won the Super Bowl. Congratulations to you. And it's been a long time coming, but you finally won. And it's also dedicated to Tom Brady. I'm glad you weren't in the Super Bowl this year. But I give you props. You've won 6 Super Bowls with the New England Patriots. And you are a legend, even though I don't like you. So, here's to you both. There's still some more fries, so that doesn't really count as the last bite. So one bite's for the Kansas City Chief, and this bite's for the Tom Brady. Okay, well, I guess the problem I have with this thing is the same thing I have with most fry bowls, and that's that it gets really messy, and also the fries get really soggy. But the flavor is really nice. So I'm only going to give it a low 4. But, like I said, I also got let me see, the burrito, which condenses everything that's in the thing in a tortilla. So we're gonna try that too. Okay, this is the way to eat it. Stuffed inside a tortilla shell. You don't have to worry about it getting all over your suit if you're wearing a suit. Sure, the fries get a little messy. I mean, a little soggy, but I'm but this is nice. I'm gonna polish this off too. So once again, hang on. Okay, this last bite is dedicated to, let's see, I'm running out of people to dedicate last bites to. Let's see, Zac Efron. I'm playing him in The Greatest Showman. Did I dedicate a bite to Zac Efron yet? I'll have to look it up. In the... I'll have to look it up in my videos, see if I dedicated a bite to Zac Efron. If I did, here's another bite for you. Anyways, this bite's for Zac Efron and the rest of the cast of the High School Musical, if I dedicated it to Zac Efron already. Well, that burrito was definitely better than the fries alone. So it's going to get a regular 4. Oh, wait, what did I rate the fries on its own? No, I think I rated it a low 4. So I'm going to just bump the score up from what I rated the regular fries 1 notch. 1 nacho, if you will. Anyways, if you like buffalo chicken and you like the nacho fries, give them a try. They were okay, but they run into the same problem that the nacho fries always run into. Too soggy and too messy. But when you wrap them in a burrito, they're good. So, they usually come with pico de gallo, but I don't like the flavor of pico de gallo because it has onions and tomatoes in it, and I don't like that. I think it has peppers in it, but not jalapeno peppers. I like jalapeno peppers. But anyways, that's it for this episode of Junk Food Critic. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll be glad you did.